Eating for optimal health. Depression is a mental health problem that affects millions of people worldwide. While there are many treatments available, including medication and therapy, diet can also play an important role in preventing and treating depression. Here are 7 foods that are known to have antidepressant properties. Turmeric is a common spice in Indian cuisine and can help reduce inflammation in the brain, which may be associated with depression. Avocado is rich in folate and vitamin B6, which are important nutrients for brain health. Additionally, it is a healthy source of monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce the risk of depression. Nuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve mood. Beans are a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that is converted into serotonin in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and can help reduce anxiety and depression. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that can help protect the brain against oxidative stress. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve mood. Spinach is rich in folate, a nutrient that helps produce neurotransmitters that regulate mood. Additionally, it is a good source of magnesium, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. While these foods alone won't cure depression, incorporating them into your diet can help support overall mental health and complement other treatments.